Alright, this is how you reset a service light on a Renault Clio 2014 with a key card. First of all, you're going to put the key into the slot and press the start button once without putting your feet on any of the pedals. You'll see the instrument cluster lights up. Then you're going to use these up and down buttons and you're going to scroll past the service required until you get to the service intervals. Okay, then on the service intervals you will press and hold the button to go into the menu. Okay, and then you would press and hold again in order to reset it. You can see it's flashing, and there, and that's it. Alright, then once you can see, you switched it off. Now you're going to start the car, and as you can see, the service spanner is off. And if you scroll through the menus, it will show you that there are no messages memorized. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos.